the sounds of the silence that I found. When my mind do run around, with my ear up to the ground, I'm searching to behold the stories that I told. My back is to the world, I'm smiling when I turn.